Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or change payment method on Omio, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first, of course, open the app. After that, click on your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the third option is payment methods. So first you have to do your first payment, and it says that your chosen payment method will appear here as soon as your payment has been made. So first you have to buy a ticket, and after that here will appear the information of that card, and after that you can change that payment method here, and then you can change or you can add that payment method, and then you will not have to type in all the information over and over again. Then here it will appear and be, and then you can pay for tickets automatically using that card. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.